Hello class 10, this session is for you. Now today we will discuss about statistics. Statistics, there are not only the mean, there are mean, median, ogive, mode, these all chapters are there, but today I will not discuss all these chapters. Only one chapter, the first chapter which is in your exam, that only I will discuss. And today I will start with mean. Okay, what is arithmetic mean? And before starting what is arithmetic means, let us know about the central tendency. What is central tendency? Okay, now central tendency. What is central tendency? In one last online class already I have explained about what is central tendency, but still again I will explain today. Now what is central tendency? Measures of central tendency are numbers that tend to cluster around the middle. Around the middle means tend to cluster around the middle. That is the central tendency, middle of the set of values. Okay. Now, three such middle numbers are mean, median. Three such middle numbers are known as mean, median, and mode. Mean, median, and mode. But today I will discuss about the mean only. Okay. Now, what is the central position? That is also very, very important. What is central position? To know about the data which is around the middle, which tends around the middle, that means we have to know the central position. What is the central position? If the numbers of data are arranged in ascending order, then the mid number or the position of nearby number is called the central position. That means if I write, say, all the numbers are written in the ascending order, say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All these numbers are written in ascending order, then the mid number. Then when the numbers of data are arranged in a, say, ascending order, then the mid number or the position of nearby numbers is called the central position. So if I take these 5 numbers, then 3 is the mid number. Or we can write mid position. Okay, but if I write these numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If I take 6 numbers, then 3 and 4, both the numbers, these are the mid position. We will select the average of 3 and 4 again we have to take. Okay, so this is known as the central position or mid position. Okay, now what is arithmetic mean or what is mean? Mean or arithmetic mean? Not yet. Let me run first. I think central tendency or central position, that is clear to you. Now what is mean? What is mean, arithmetic mean or arithmetic average? We can write arithmetic mean or we can write here arithmetic average. We can write this as arithmetic average also. Now mean of, we have to find the mean for grouped data and for ungrouped data. Last day also I have explained what is grouped data and what is ungrouped data. So now I will explain about what is the mean of ungrouped data. Mean of, that means when data are not written in group. Mean of ungrouped data. Okay. Mean of a number of observation is the sum of the values of all the observations divided by the total number of observations. The mean of, say there are n number of observations. Like there are n number of observations, x1, x2, x3, xn is given by, say there these n number of terms are there, n number of terms are there, or there are n number of observations. Okay, n number of variables or observations or terms, whatever, any thing we can say. Now this is given by the formula. The mean of these numbers will be what? Average of all. If I say what is the average marks in your class of mathematics first unit test, what we will do, we will just add all the marks scored by you divided by how total number of students. That means their number of students or according to the roll number, these are the different variables. Here also x1, x2, x3, x3 up to xn, these are the variables. Okay. Now total number of variables divided by number or total number of variables. So x1 plus x2 plus x3 dot 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 to xn divided how many terms are there. There are n number of terms or there are n number of variables, just like this. Same thing if I want to know the average marks of your class or average total average marks in your, from your class or average age of your class. So what we will do, we will add all the marks or we will add all the ages divided by total number of students. Same thing here. Okay, so x1 plus x2 plus x3 up to xn divided by n. So here we can write this as sigma. This we can write as sigma xi. Xi means when I equals to 1 it is x1, when I equals to 2 it is x2, when I equals to 3 it is x3, like this. So sigma xi by n. Okay, and this is known as sigma. This is the symbol of sigma, means summation. This implies sigma, that means summation. Remember this. Okay. Now what is mean? So here we will write mean. We write actually as x bar. So x bar equals to sigma xi by x. Sigma xi by n. That is the mean of ungrouped data. Okay. Next is weighted mean. Weighted mean. Okay. What is weighted mean? That is very important. Weighted mean. Okay. Now from frequency distribution table, weighted mean we will write from frequency distribution table. From frequency distribution table. Now what is frequency? Last day in our online class already I have explained what is frequency. That means frequency we know. Recapitulate just these things. If I write here say x the numbers and here this is frequency. If I write here say marks 30. Okay, 30 marks got say 5 students from your class. So frequency of 30 will be 5. Say 30 marks scored by 5 students from your class. Similarly, if I write 60 here, so 60 say got 10 students from your class. If I write say 70 marks scored from your class, say 15 students got 15 students got 70. If I write here 80, say if I write 10 students got 80 marks from your class, that means a frequency of 80 means 10. Similarly, if I write say 90 say 5 students got 90 from your class. Okay, and 100 say only 2 students got 100 out of 100 from your class. That means frequency of 100 is 2, frequency of 90 is 5, frequency of 10 is 90, 80 is 10, like this. This is known as the frequency. Okay, now what is weighted mean? Weighted means x bar will be sigma sigma, we will write this as sigma I equals to 1 to n xi divided by sigma fi. Fi means sum of the frequencies. Here also I equals to 1 to n, or we can write this as sigma fx by sigma f. Sigma fx by sigma f, or we can write as sigma fx by capital N, where sigma f equals to capital N. Sigma f means where the sum of the frequencies known as sigma f. Okay. Now, let me rub this. Okay. Let there are 10 examples. Say earnings from a business, there are 10 days earning. Okay, earning from business, 10 days. We will calculate for earnings for 10 days. Okay, say there are earnings for 10 days. Day 1 rupees 350, day 2 rupees 375, day 3 rupees 325, day 4 rupees 350, day 5 rupees 400, day 6 rupees 375, day 7 again rupees 350, day 8 rupees 300, day 9 rupees 325, and day 10 rupees 400. Okay. Now, what is the X bar? X bar means sum of these earnings. We will add all these sums. Okay. So let us add. What we will do? 350 plus 375 plus 325 dot 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 up to 400. We will add all these. Okay. Divided by how many days are there? There are 10 days. Okay. There are 10 days. Now add all these, we will get the answer. The answer what we will get, that will be the answer. Okay. Now again if we want to write this in tabular form, then what we will write? In the tabular form, if we want to write, in tabular form, if we want to write, then what will be the formation? Formation will be, okay. Let me write the table. Say this is X. X means earnings. Next is frequency, that means F. Next is Fx. So 3 columns we will write. Okay. One is X, another is F, another is Fx. Okay. Now weighted average we have to find. Now 350, how many days they have earned 350? 1, 2. Any other days? 3. That means frequency of 350 is 3. Okay, so f into x will be 350 into 3. It's coming 1050. Okay, similarly for 325, there are 325 1 day, 2 day. That means frequency of 325 is 2. So it is coming 650. Okay, next is 375. For 375, 1 day, 2 days. That means 2 days are there. For frequency of 375, this 375 into 2, that gives us 750. Similarly, next is 400. 400 how much? 400 only 2 days. Yes, this and this. So 400 also 2 days. 400, so it is coming 800. Next is 300. For 300, 1 day, no, 300 only 1. Frequency of 300 is only 1. So fx is this. Okay, then what we will do? We'll add sigma f here. Add sigma f equals to what? 10. 3 plus 2, 5. 5 plus 2, 7. 7 plus 2, 9. 9 plus 1, 10. And sigma fx, now add all this. We will get 3550. 3550. Okay, and therefore average will be, x bar will be sigma fx. Here also if we add all these things, we will get the same value. Sigma fx by sigma f. Sigma fx we have got already 3550 by 10. So it is coming 355. So this is the average. That means arithmetic mean of 10 days. Earnings for 10 days. Okay, now next explanation coming with new video.